I don't know, like it's just giving. My hair is so fire. Hey babe, so her hair company sent me some hair. I love her hair company, especially for curly hair, because what, it's tea. They sent me 4 bundles of their raw deep wave. So pretty. This one is fuller than the last hair that I had from them. That one was just their deep wave, and this is their raw. So basically that means that each bundle comes from one donor, is cuticle aligned, and it can be bleached up to 613, which is an extremely light blonde. So you're free to reuse these bundles, wash, perm, dye, anything you desire, because it is human hair and it is supposed to be unprocessed. Now, they sent me this hair like over a week ago.
Oh my God, what the fuck?
So I need to get this out, okay? I've been wondering what hairstyle I should do, because the last time I did a curly look, it was a flip over. And I really don't like to run styles back to back like that if it's similar. So I'm thinking half a pack down, no leave out. It is summer and it is pretty hot in Cali, so I want to make sure that my hairstyle lasts. And this hair is super full, super thick. I mean, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to use all 4 bundles. This hair is so full. Look at that. It just look heavy. It's so pretty, so full. We already know I'm finna eat this. Look down. Here's the deep wave hair that I installed last time. I was able to achieve multiple different looks. The hair was very good. It didn't tangle. The curls stayed defined for days. And today I'm thinking about doing this look. So let's get into it. I'm about to mold down my ponytail. I have my cap glued down in the back. I'm about to add my tracks. And yeah, I'll come back when I am done. Okay, y'all, I switched backgrounds. As y'all can see, I had to come to my hair suite to finish my hair. But look at this. Oh my gosh. This is tea. Do y'all see me? Look at all this hair. Hold on. I still have a whole bundle left. I took a small little piece to finish off my ponytail. But this is not even all the hair, y'all. Unlayered. Didn't touch the curls yet. Do y'all see what it's giving? Look at this hair. This is the biggest curly hair I've ever had. And the curl pattern is so pretty. I don't even know if I want to wet it. Company, like, they really give you full thick bundles. I completed this whole look. They sent me 4, but I really only needed 3. Get into it. Go shop her hair company now. Bye babe, see you in the next video.